Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automation Mentor. So you've done the hard work, you've built your funnel, you've connected your domain, and you've launched it to the world. But now comes the exciting part. What happens when it actually works? Where do all those valuable leads, those potential customers actually go? Let's pull back the curtain. Everything flows right into this central hub, your contacts section. Think of this as the digital treasure chest for your business. Every single person who enters their name and email into one of your funnels will land right here, waiting for you. And ClickFunnels doesn't just store an email. When you open up a contact profile, you get a full story. You can see their name, email, the exact funnel they came from, their purchase history, and a timeline of every action they've taken. This is mission control for understanding each individual lead. But as your business grows, you won't have just 10 contacts, you might have thousands. Just throwing them all into one big box isn't a strategy. You need to organize them. This is where segmentation comes in, and there are two key ways to do it: lists and tags. Think of lists like separate rooms in your house. You might have a list for newsletter subscribers, another for webinar registrants, and a third for customers who bought product X. It's a broad way to group people based on a major action they took. Tags, on the other hand, are like little sticky notes you put on a file. They're much more specific. You could tag someone who clicked on your pricing page, or a tag for someone who abandoned their cart. This lets you get incredibly granular with who you're talking to. So now that your leads are organized, how do you actually talk to them? You have two primary options right here inside ClickFunnels. First, the automated approach. This is where you can build simple email sequences. For example, the moment someone opts in for your free ebook, you can have an email fire off automatically to deliver it. Then maybe a day later, another email follows up to see if they had any questions. You set it up once and it works for you 24/7. The second option is a broadcast. This is for sending a one-off email. Imagine you're running a flash sale this weekend or launching a new product. You can write a single email and send it out to a specific list or even a specific group of people with a certain tag. Now, for many businesses, these internal tools are perfect. But as you scale, you might want the advanced analytics, A/B testing, and deliverability features of a dedicated email marketing platform like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, or ConvertKit. ClickFunnels is built to play nicely with these other tools. Right here in your settings under integrations, you can connect your favorite email provider. You don't need to be a tech wizard. It usually just involves grabbing something called an API key from your email platform. Think of it like a secure password, and pasting it here. Once you do that, any new lead you capture in your funnel can be automatically sent over to your dedicated email platform, where you can manage your more complex, long-term nurturing campaigns. And that's the key thing to remember. Capturing a lead is just the first step. The real goal is to build a relationship. Nurture that lead, provide value, and turn a simple email address into a loyal customer and fan of your brand. If you're ready to build this system, grab your free 14-day trial using the link in the description. I'd love to hear your biggest lead challenge in the comments below. And finally, if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.